How's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the Beneve universal stand. Okay, now I know I haven't done one of these in a while, but this is kind of another passion of mine. I'm on a search to find the perfect phone slash tablet stand, and one of my favorites are right here. Okay, I use this one every day, multiple times a day, and one of my other favorites kind of broke, so that means I'm in the market for another one. So I picked this one up from Amazon, and I actually got it for a really great deal because I have a coupon app, a deal coupon app that I use, and I was, perusing that set of coupons, and I was actually able to get this for a really great price. I'm gonna just spoil it right now. I was able to pick this one up for $2.70. I think the regular retail price on this was what, $10 or $15, but I was able to pick it up for $2.70 thanks to that coupon. So good stuff. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into this unboxing and first impression. So starting off, let's talk about the packaging. So you can see we just got some company branding up top here. Around the side, we got some more company branding, mobile phone slash pad holder. Then we got a diagram of the stand here and some of the compatible things that you can use on it. Okay, so 360-degree rotation, all that good stuff there. So good stuff. Walking around the side here, we got some barcode information here. Get that to focus so y'all can get a good look. Bam. All right. Right back here, we got some more barcode information here. Okay, and that's about it. And you can see you can use your devices in portrait mode or landscape mode. All right, so good stuff there. Okay, let me get some focus. Bam. All right, so overall, really nice packaging on this. Now, as I always do, I already cut all the tapes and seals, so there should be minimal struggles on this one. So let's crack into this box here and see what we're working with. Now, I do believe I picked up the silver variant of this. So let's see. Alright, so on top here, just like got a little quick instruction pamphlet here. Alright, so we'll check that out off video. And then right here we go with the stand. So it looks like this is the bottom piece. Alright, put that off to the side. And then here is the phone holder portion right here. Okay. Put that off to the side as well. And let's see what else we got here. And then this is the rod here. Yeah, definitely a nice solid piece of aluminum. So I believe this goes down in here like this or like that. And then you mount the holder portion here, and then you should be good to go. So let's put these down, see if there's anything else that comes in the box. So all this styrofoam here. Okay, looks like we got some screws, so you do have to screw everything in, and it comes with a little key, little metal key. All right, so we're definitely gonna have to put these to good use. Alright, what else? I think that is everything. Yeah, nothing else but styrofoam in here. So that's everything that comes in the package. Alright, now let me pause the video. Let me get this thing assembled, and then I'll be right back with my first impression. So I'll see y'all. Okay, y'all, and we're back. Literally, that took like 2 minutes. I'm a little dexterity challenged sometimes, but pretty much you just follow the pictures. So you start with the base, okay? And you have 2 screws and then you have a keycap cover, right? So you screw the base onto the pole right here with your little Allen key and one of the screws. You screw the base onto the pole, and then you screw the mount onto the base, all right? And then you cover it up with the little keycap cover, and this is your end result, okay? So pretty much you just have to follow the pictures. B1 is the base, all right? And then you can see you take the screw, it goes up in. B2 is the stand itself, it goes down in the pole, all right? Then B3 is right here, that goes in, and then you screw it down with the other screw using the Allen key, and then this is your end result right here, okay? Boom. And that's all there is to it. So that literally took 2 minutes, and Beneve provides everything that you need to assemble this in the box, so that's really nice. And here is our end result. So we have a fully adjustable stand here that we can adjust so you can get proper viewing angles, all right? And that's how that would look. Now I have a few devices here, so if you was dropping your device in landscape mode, let's say you was watching a show, maybe something on Netflix, all right, maybe something on Hulu, just like that, or maybe you were video chatting and you didn't want to hold your device, look just like this, or you were doing something in portrait mode, all right? So let's say you're at your desk, whoops, sorry y'all, and you're working, and you want to have your device off to the side while you work, so you can still see your notifications. If you turn on always on display, or your device has always on display, so you can briefly glance at your notifications while you're still working. So that's real nice. So overall, I have to say, first impressions of the stand is it's pretty good. Now this should work with smartphones and tablets. Unfortunately, I don't have a tablet to test it with at this moment, because the 2 tablets I have, I actually ended up giving them away to family, so I don't actually have a tablet to test it on right now, but I will be getting in some more tablets soon, hopefully. But at least right now, first impressions, I have to say I really like this. Once you put everything all together, it's really sturdy. One thing I want y'all to make sure you do is make sure you get a nice tight seal here. You see I kind of missed it, and the screw kind of helped me tighten it up, but you want to get a nice tight seal here, but don't mess up the plastic on this portion here, because this portion is plastic and everything else is aluminum, all right? So this top portion is plastic, but this is aluminum, that's aluminum, and then you got a little heat dissipation here, and then there you go. So first impressions, I have to say it's a really nice stand. I do like the way it looks, and I do believe I'm gonna get a lot of usage out of it. Okay, so that pretty much does it for this unboxing and first impressions of the Beneve universal phone / tablet stand. Now the review for this should take me about a week from the posting of this video. So when I come back, I'm gonna let y'all know how I feel about it, and I'm gonna let y'all know whether or not it's worth picking up, because maybe you're in the market for a good stand and you don't want one of those low ones. So you can see I have a low one right here, and you don't want one of those that's kind of low but still, you know, maybe you want a nice high one with an adjustable base on it. Then you have this right here, so you can adjust it, all right? And I do believe you can rotate it as well, all right? So nice adjustable high stand here. Maybe you want something like this. Well, I'm gonna put this to the test for about a week, and I'm gonna come back and let you guys and gals know in the full review if this is a stand worth picking up, all right? So that's all I got for this video here today. Now I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video and or you found it helpful in any way, shape, form, or fashion, please, as always, help your boy out and give a video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you want to see more content like this, Also, feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos, okay? That being said, if this video piqued your interest and you like to know where you can pick up a stand like this, all the links to where I picked up this stand and where you can find this stand at some really great prices will be available down below in the video description. So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. And as I said in my update videos, the Amazon links that y'all see down in the video description are affiliate links. So if you use those links, a small portion of that does go back into the channel, but the overall price on all of the products that I use with the affiliate links does not change. So I get a small kickback at no inconvenience to you guys and gals. So as always, if you want to contribute or you want to find a good deal on a product, please feel free to use those links down below. This whole video here today has been recorded using the rear-facing primary 16 megapixel camera on the Bold N1 in 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second. All the audio for this video here today hopefully is being recorded using the Movo MA2010 omnidirectional microphone. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality and the overall audio quality down below in the comments. Alright, that being said, I hope everyone has a great day, and I'll catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace, everyone. Alright, now it's time to get this Bluetooth over here so we can edit it all up on this and post it up to YouTube. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. Peace.